Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm bringing you this video on how to do the final fractions assignment. As you can see, I have here a bunch of, not a bunch of, I have some food, cake, fruit and apple, chocolate bar, I have some milk. As you can see, I have a cutting board, butter knife, and I have some markers and white pieces of papers. So the intention of this assignment is for you to demonstrate fractions in common food meals that we regularly find in our kitchen. So let's go to it. Now, to begin with, I could use the cake. As you can see, I have here half or some portion of this cake, but let's imagine that this is my whole piece of cake. Now I would like to demonstrate fraction half, one half. How do I do that? Well, with the supervision of your parents, you can use the knife, butter knife, and you can simply make a fraction or cut in the middle of the whole piece, so you make a fraction, one half. So I'm just gonna go to it, make it, you cut, and then as you can see, that one piece became into two pieces. As we've practiced before. So you write on a piece of paper, you need the marker, write in big numbers the two pieces of the cake, and imagine that I'm going to eat all this whole piece and I'm gonna save this for later. Oh, that would be like a lot, right? So that would be one half, all right? So that's one fraction, that's one example. I could even make it more detailed, all right? Now I could have this piece and cut it in half. Now at this point, this is not equal. This is not a fraction because all the pieces, these two pieces are more or less the same, but this one is bigger. So if I want to make equal fraction, I need to cut this into another piece, and now I have my four pieces. I grab my marker and I write 4, which could be my denominator. Now let's suppose that I'm going to share this piece and this piece with my friend, and I'm gonna save these other two for later. So that would be that I ate, or I'm going to eat 2/4 of this entire cake. So I have two examples of fractions here. So I'm just gonna put the cake here to give you another demonstration with another type of food. An apple, all right? You can either use a cake or an apple. I'm just going to cut the apple in half. All right, so now I have here two pieces. What fraction is that? I have two. Imagine that I'm going to eat with my cereal this piece and I want to save this for later. That would be one half. Okay, if I want to show another example, I use another piece of paper. Imagine that I cut this into two here, or two more here. Now I have 4. But what if I cut this apple into more? Remember that for this assignment, you can make as many different fractions as you can, as long as you do 4. That's what I require. Okay, so I'm cutting these each pieces into more pieces to make it to divide it to make more same amount of pieces. So I have here, oh, I got this, well, that happens when it is food. So I have here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have here, okay, right, 8. that will be my denominator, and I'm going to eat these two, and I'm going to save these 4 for later. So how much of the apple I'm going to eat? I'm going to eat, that would be 3/8. Okay, so this is what I want you to do with the help of your parents. Use common food to demonstrate fractions, to show me that you understood how fraction works. I'm going to let and we can see it with everyday objects. Like here, for example, this chocolate was already cut into, it is fractioned into 4 pieces. I'm going to eat, I don't have more paper, but I'm going to write it on the back. I'm going to eat of these 4, I'm going to eat 2 pieces, so that would be 2/4. Okay, so once you do this, you grab your phone or any other device, you take a picture and you send it to me, okay, explaining that this is the numerator, this is the denominator, and this is a fraction. Okay, so I hope this can help you, and I'm looking forward to see what fractions you can show me. Bye.